Well, preparation steps and timeline. So there are few steps to prepare, and also you have to maintain the times, by the way. So I will describe all of those steps and what to do in those steps, and when to perform those steps. This slide will describe those. So step 1 is preparing documents. You should prepare before May. You should prepare before May, and you should not be too late. You should not do it after the June. So if you are too late, then June is the deadline. It cannot be. May is already deadline, but the June is the hard deadline. After that, you will lose a lot of opportunities. So prepare documents. What does it mean? It means you prepare your CV, recommendation letters, teaching statement, research statement, diversity statement, cover letter, and other documents. There are some other documents. We will talk about those in future. Now step 2, search and apply. Well, when do you start searching? You start searching from June to March. Well, so you prepare your documents by May or early June, and from June to the March, next year March, you will be applying. That's a good time duration, right? So peak time of submission of application is August to February. Now in this step, search and apply, you need to know where to search those websites, right? So create accounts in those websites, list some institutions, so which institutions you're looking for. So you have to have a database for those institutions as well, and you have to maintain those database. What do I mean by maintain? It means you have to indicate what openings are available, what are the deadlines. If you applied, then mark I applied to that position already. So you need to maintain those information in a Excel file. Step 3, online interview. So once you have applied, then first interview will be online interview. It will be over phone or any online platform, for example Skype or Zoom or Skype for Business. It starts from October to March, and peak time is November to February. So for online interview, you have to prepare for the questions, and also you have to prepare what questions you will ask them. So you will discuss in detail what are the questions you need to prepare for, what could be the possible answers, and what questions you should ask. Then on-site interview, well, it starts from January to April, and in on-site interview there are many steps, by the way. So of course you will learn how to answer interview questions and what to ask them. Also you have to prepare for teaching demo and also a research demo, or known as job talk. Some other steps we'll be describing and discussing in the later modules of this course. Step 5, accept the offer. So if you are selected, they will offer you, and once you get an offer, then you have to decide how to negotiate the salary and startup fund. And offer usually comes from February to May. Then the start job starts usually in July or August. So once you start job, you should know what to expect in your job, what are the responsibilities, and first year how can you improve your performance. So those 6 steps: prepare documents, search and apply, online interview, on-site interview, accept offer, start job. We will go through all of those steps in detail in the rest of this course. So we will start from the preparing documents.